Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come back with another women recruitment drive program from Persistent Systems. This is for software engineer trainee role. So before I walk into the details about this program, I would like to take you through the Persistent Systems technologies. It is founded in 1990, headquartered in Pune, and they are mainly expertise in providing solution to following domains like telecom, media, banking, financial and insurance, healthcare and life sciences services, and also they are building next generation software products using high tech technologies. So the main qualification for this women recruitment drive is BE or BTech. The mainstream will be CS or IT or ECE or ENCT. The year of passing out is 2019 or 2020 or 2021 only eligible. And the eligibility for this program, starting from your schooling till your college, your minimum expected percentage or aggregate is 60 percentage and above. And also one more thing, the student should not have any active backlogs. So the location for this program is Bangalore, Goa, Hyderabad, Nagpur, Pune. Since this is a pandemic situation, you will be most probably expected to work remotely. So the last date to apply for this program is not given. So apply as soon as possible before the link expires. So the selection process for this program would be like you will have an online assessment test followed by a technical interview and HR interview. In this online assessment test, this may go for 1 or 2 rounds. Most probably this will have MCQ with coding. So this MCQ will have aptitude and logical reasoning and also main core related subject related questions like database management systems, data structures, OOPS, networks, OS, C++ programming. So prepare well in these areas before you take up this online test. And for the coding round test, you may get 2 or 3 questions which will be in the medium to hard level category. And once you clear this online assessment test, you will be asked to attend for technical interview. Again, in the technical interview also, the main area course will be in core subjects like data structures, algorithms, database management systems, and also the projects whatever you have done in your college time. So you may need to pick up one project to explain to the interviewer so that they may ask the questions related in that project. So choose one project which you are confident to answer back. And also they may ask you to choose one programming language which you are comfortable to work with. So choose one programming language so that the interview questions will be around in that programming language. So once you clear this test and interview, technical interview, you will be taken to HR interview. So now I have given another link from Geeks for Geeks, which is for interview preparation. So in this link, mostly the people whoever has attended this Persistent Systems for software engineer role on campus interview, they have shared their experiences about the online test, MCQ test, and also the coding test, and also about the technical interview experiences. So just go through them to get a knowledge about how the interview and test would be, so that you can just update and prepare well yourself before you take up this test and interview. So please apply as soon as possible before the link expires. Hope this will be useful to you. So even if it is not applicable to you, just share this link with your friends so that they can also apply. So wishing you all the very best to all whoever is applying for this program. I will come back with another interesting video. Until then, it's me Suchi signing off from you all. Bye bye. Take care.